is Joaquim Veras. I'm from VILA VITA Parc. I'm the Barman manager, and I want to teach you how to make a fantastic lemon water. I'm gonna make three different waters. This one's for the afternoon. It's gonna be with mint. Another one for tea time, like you can substitute for tea. And for you to make some sports and take a walk on the garden. It's half a lemon for everyone, each one. Now in the first one we're gonna add some mint leaves. Take this part away, like this to spread the oils. Mineral water. The first one. Okay, it's ready for your sport. Tea. Well, we're gonna just have the half a lemon trees. Put just 2 cinnamon sticks, and we also can make some mint leaves. Now we separate the leaves a little bit. Some honey. With hot water. Here we have 4. I hope you enjoy. It's our lemon water with honey. Thank you. Have a good stay home. See you soon at VILA VITA Parc.
And where is my water?
Oh, here it is.
Thank you.
Bye.